Hello, welcome back to these videos, of course, where Teacher Kent comes at you with different English every day. This English is interesting today because it's English related to math, using English to figure out math. So this is from a writing book level 4, which is 5th and 6th grade of elementary school. For example, here, we're going to do this page in a minute, 101. Of course, we're going to try to figure out how many apples she has. But before I get started, don't forget to give us a like below. Smash that like button, as they say. And of course, share this with your friends and family. You want as many people to learn English as possible. So thanks again. So again, I'm Teacher Kent, or Professor Kent, or Kento Sensei. I'm known by many names in Japan. Of course, where I have an English school in Tagasaki-gun, Japan. So let's see. How many? These are how many things from, again, book 4. From the book 4. So here you can see how many. So we'll read this together first, and then we'll do the math. How many? Emmy has 2 apples in her bag. She has 3 apples in her room. She has 1 apple at school. Remember to use your fingers to follow along. How many apples does Emmy have? Please circle. Please draw a circle. You have to draw a circle. So if she has 2, you draw a circle around only 2. If she has 3, then 3, or 5, or whatever. Okay, let's see. How many does she have? So let's do this. Oh, sorry. I moved hit my desk. Okay. Let's see. Let me put this down somewhere so you can see it. So we got to do the math here. Amy has 2 apples. Okay, we got 2. That's how you got it. Amy has 2 apples in her bag. She has 3 apples in her room. Her room at home. So 2 plus 3. What's 2 plus 3? 3 plus 2. Of course, we get to 5. So now we have 5 apples. Okay. She has 3 apples in her room. She has 1 apple in her school. At school. 1 apple at school. So now we have 5 plus 1. What is 5 plus 1? Can you guess? Yes. It is 6. Let's see how we do 6. 6. 6. Yes. So she has 6 apples. So can you circle 6 apples? Remember, so 6 apples. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So here around 6 apples. Have a circle. Okay. Thank you. And then next. That was, by the way, page 101. And next page, again, with our English math lesson today, of course. So we adjust for the camera. How many? And this is about fishing, for Mike's fishing. Listen. You can see here, how many? So again, follow with your finger if you have the book at home. This is, of course, from page 112 in book 4. So for 5th and 6th graders. But anybody, of course, you're younger or older, you can practice this. It's good to practice other subjects with different. It's good to practice your English using math. For example, in this case. Let's see. Mike likes to catch fish. He has 9 worms. He catches 5 fish. He gives 2 worms to his mate. Now, how many worms does Mike have? Please draw a circle. How many worms does he have? So we have worms, so you have to draw a big circle. So let's see again. Let's see if we can do it. Mike has 5, this would be minus, right? Yeah, because he has worms. So we have to minus, let's see. If I can put the book down again on the table. Let's see, Mike likes to catch fish. He has 9 worms. Okay, 9 worms. I got it. 9 worms. Is this 9 worms? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Yeah, these are all his worms. So, if he has 9 worms, he catches 5 fish. Oh, 5 bye-bye. So we can cross out 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 fish bye-bye. Or 5 worms bye-bye. He catches 5 fish. Yes, so 5 bye-bye. He gives 2 worms to his friend. Oh, now we have to do 2 more. 2 more. 1, 2. So now, how many worms does he have? Of course, what's 5 plus 2? 5 plus 2 is 7. And what's 9 minus 7? 2, right? Let's see if that counts. So we got 5 fish. He catches 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then he gives 2 to his friends. 1, 2. Yes, we have 2 left. So 2. So circle. 2 worms left. Okay. And we have one more page, which has some really interesting. I'm going to use my clipboard here to teach you. We have the last page here in the book we're going to do today for math is page 159. 159. You can pause if you want to read these before I teach you. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have 5 word problems to practice when you go to junior high and you have math problems like these, word problems you have to figure out. But before I continue, our word of the day is him. You know him. He's a Disney character. He, she, it, yes, Gelatoni. Gelatoni. So that's our word of the day is Gelatoni. Okay, we'll put this over here. Okay, so let's see. So we're going to do some math. By the way, while we're doing math, here's just some math words to practice. Of course, addition, subtraction, multiplication, and these are called division, and these are called fractions. And of course, the bottom, addition, subtraction, is multiplication, division, fractions. Okay, so here, then we're going to do these problems here. Let's read the problem first, and then I'll write on my, instead of whiteboard, I'll write on my clipboard here. Let's see. The first one is what? Janet. Oh, yes. Janet has, oh, sorry, let me center. Janet has 18 apples and 6 mates. She gives her mates the same number of apples. How many apples does she give each mate? Mate is, of course, friend. So how many does she give to each friend? Please draw a circle. Yeah, so she has 18 apples and 6 friends. So if I write on my board here, and this is dividing. How many do we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5. This is first problem. And we have 18 apples. 18 apples divided by, and we have 6 friends. That's yes. You should write on your at home. Number 1, 18 apples divided by 6. Can you guess how many times does 6 go into 18? I see 6, 12, 18. Wow, the 3. So there we go, 3. Oh, so we divided correctly, right? 3. That means here you should circle 3 apples. 1, 2, 3. Circle 3 apples. Okay, next. Problem number 2. So let me write here. Problem number 2. So if you're writing on the board, problem number 2. Let's see. Okay, again, I'll show you the word problem first. So if you want to take more time to think about it, so pause the video and you can think about it. Let's see. Here we go. Ted. Right. Ted walks to school every day. First, he walks 5 minutes to Bill's house. Then, Ted and Bill walk 15 minutes to Ken's house. Then the 3 boys walk 10 minutes to school. They walk in the school at 8:30. What time does Ted leave his house? Please draw a circle. You have to find the correct time. What time is Ted leaving his house? Again, so pause the video if you want to take more time to think about it. But of course, we have Ted walks to school every day. First, he walks 5 minutes. Oh, so we have 5 minutes. Okay. So we have Ted, 5 minutes. Then walks 5 minutes to Bill's house. Ted and Bill, so we have Ted and Bill walk 15 minutes to Ken's house. 15 minutes. Then the 3 boys. So now we have Ted, Bill, and Ken. Then the 3 boys walk 10 minutes to the school. Okay, and so film. So what I've done so far is just take it and write it down like this. Ted, 5 minutes. Ted and Bill, 15 minutes. Ted, Bill, and Ken, 10 minutes. Now you have to add up. Can you add up 5 plus 15 plus 10? Of course, that would be 30, right? 30 minutes. And now we have the math problem at the bottom. They walk into the school at 8:30. Oh, okay, so here's the math problem. 8:30 a.m. I think. What they mean. And what time does he leave his house? So we know the walking time. We did the math. The walking time is the walking time is 30 minutes. He walks in the school at 8:30. What's 8:30 minus 30 minutes? How much? Do you know? Equals what? Here we go. So 8:30 minus 30 minutes equals what? Equals 8 o'clock. So we know the answer should be, I hope, 8 o'clock. So if the answer is 8 o'clock, do we have an answer here that's 8 o'clock? Let's look at the clocks again. Can you find where's the 8 o'clock time? Is this one 8 o'clock? No, right? This one? No. 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 Close, but no, maybe. Oh, maybe this one, not this one. Oh, this one, yeah, circle. So you correct, of course. Let's see, so question number 3. Let me answer this here. So we have 1, 2, now we have 3. Oh, yes, about bugs. Oh, I'm not a fan of bugs, but let's do this math problem quickly so we can get rid of the bugs. Mike has 25 bugs. 6 bugs are big and green. 5 bugs are little and red. 2 bugs are yellow and purple. 7 bugs are black. And 5 bugs are brown. How many bugs are little and red? You remember we had little red earlier. How many of them are there? Of course, the little red, we have little red here. How many bugs do we have? We have, sorry, I can't read the book here. Little red, oh yeah, 5, sorry, here we go. I can't find it. Upside down or backwards. 5 here, 5. 5 bugs are little and red, yes. So 5, what's the total? 25. So okay, so that's easy math. We know we need little red. Little red equals 5 bugs, right? Yes, 5 bugs. And total bugs equals 25, right? So here. So we know little and red bugs, 5. And the total bugs, 25. So 5 over 25. Oh, so we have a fraction. So let's see, do we have an answer here? 5/10? No. 3/25? No. 1/5? No. 1/25? No. 1/2? No. 7/25? No. Huh? Wait a minute. We need 5/5, right? Yes. We came up with the answer 5/5. Where's 5/5? Oh no. Ah, I got it. We need to make it smaller, as I always tell my kids. So, my Saturday kids who do math in English, how can we make this smaller? Of course, what divides? What can divide into 5 and divide into 25? I think the answer would be 5, right? So, if that means 5/25, what is the answer if we make it, I say smaller? It's equal, but make it smaller numbers. Is that how I tell kids? 5/25 equals, of course, 1/5. Oh, so 1/5. Now, do we have an answer that's 1/5? Can you find the answer? Dun, dun, dun. Yes, people here, right in the middle. 1/5. So you can circle. Okay, we have 2 more. So stay tuned. Let me make space here for number 4. Question number 4 on this page. Again, it's page 159 in the writing book 4. Let's see. Oh, yes, coins. This is going to be a fun one. Amy has 12 coins in her purse. She spends 1 coin at the bookstore. She spends 3 coins at the shoe store. Sorry. She spends 5 coins at the pet store. Now, how many coins does Amy have? Please circle. Please draw a circle. So let's see. So let me see back here. Amy has 12 coins in her purse. So 12. We'll start with 12. And we'll minus. How I do it is like this. Kids in Japan are used to up and down, but you should also note sideways too. 12 minus what? We have 12 coins total. 12 minus, she spends 1 at the bookstore. So bookstore, minus 1. Books she bought. Then she spends 3 coins at the shoe store. 3 coins at the shoe store. Okay, shoe. So 3 coins at the shoe store, 1 coin at the bookstore. And she spends 5 coins at the pet store. Yes. Minus 5 pet. Now, how many coins does she have? Oh, okay, so that's it. So there we go. We have, of course, 12 total, minus 1 at the bookstore, minus 3 at the shoe store, and minus 5 at the pet store, right? Minus 1, minus 3, minus 5. Yes. So how much can you get? 12 minus 1 minus 3 minus 5. Let me see. Minus 3, minus 1, minus 3 would be 4, minus 4, minus 9. So of course we have 12 minus 9 equals what? Of course, we have to add up. 5 plus 3, 8 plus 1, 9. 9 plus 3, of course 3. 3. Then here we go. So 3, circle 3. Can you circle 3? 1, 2, 3. Circle 3 coins here. 3 coins. Okay, so now we have one more to do. Now let me make space on my clipboard first, and then we can do number 5. By the way, if you want to pause, here's all the math so far we've done. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Number 5 we're going to do now. So let's see, read together. This is interesting again. It's about your schedule. Let's see, here we go. On Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday, Anne plays piano for 30 minutes. On Thursday, Friday, she plays piano for 45 minutes. How many hours does she play piano in 1 week? Please draw a circle. Whoa, it's going to be difficult because already we have hours, but they're talking about minutes. And then we have Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday, Friday for schedule. So what you got to do is, of course, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. So I'll just Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, we have she plays for 30 minutes and 30 minutes times. So here we have, of course, Monday, Wednesday, Friday. Sorry, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, 30 minutes. How many days are these? Of course, 3 days. So what is 30 times 3? Do you know? 30 times 3, of course, I hope you got it, was 90. So of course, 30 times 3, 90 minutes. Now, next part of this puzzle. Thursday and Friday. Okay, we have Thursday and Friday. Thursday and Friday, she plays 45 minutes times. So now we have, of course, Thursday, Friday, she plays 45 minutes. How many days? Of course, Thursday, Friday, 2 days. So times 2 equals 90. So now we know how many minutes a week, I hope. We have 90 minutes on Monday and Friday, 90 minutes on Thursday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, 90 minutes, and Thursday, Friday, 90 minutes. Now we have to plus these two. Let's see, so plus 90 plus 90 equals, let me think, 180, right? Yeah. Because 9 plus 9 is 18, and we have one more zero, so we have 180 minutes. Here we go. 180 minutes. So, wow, most kids say, okay, got it, 180 minutes. But if you remember the question, how many hours does she play in a week? So we can't answer 180. There's no answer. So we got to divide. So 180 minutes. Okay, and the question is 1 hour. How many minutes? Do you know? 1 hour, of course, is 60. 60 minutes, right? So 60 divided by 1 hour equals, so here we go. We got to do the math here. 180 minutes divided by 60 is how much? Of course, the answer would be 3. So now we know she practices the piano 3 hours a week. And you can see my answers here and where that's from. Okay, so she has played 3 hours a week. Can you find the answer here? This is the answer 4? No. 1? No. 5? No. 2? No. Oh, 3. Here we go, so you can circle. 3 hours. There you go. So this was longer than one of my usual videos because I wanted to explain all this math. We do it in class, but it's very quick. This way you can review it at home. So if you don't have this book, of course you can make these math problems yourself, or you can make up a problem in the comment section below. Until next time, don't forget to watch these other popular writing videos I have, writing book videos. And over here, some popular videos on our channel. And don't forget to subscribe over here. And I'll see you in our next video. Have a good day. See you.